Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about Tesla's stock split. Should you guys invest in the company or should you guys wait? We're going to be breaking down everything in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall, I hope you guys learned something. And if you guys get anything in value out of this video, please repay me with a huge like. It's greatly appreciated. So now let's jump into it, roll the intro, let's go. So as of today, Tesla did announce that they're going to be doing a 5-to-1 stock split. So really what this means is for each share that you have, you're going to be getting 4 other ones, totaling 5 shares at the end of it. Now the average price is going to be around $290 per share at the end of it. So the split will happen August 28th, and right after the announcement, Tesla's stock rose around 8% before falling off to around 6%, so it's still up quite a bit. So Tesla did actually release a statement really explaining why they're going ahead and doing a stock split. They're not copying Apple. Well, kind of, but the reason why they wanted to do a stock split is because they wanted to make it more accessible for employees and other investors. I do think this was honestly kind of a smart move because Tesla is one of the most bought and sought after stocks out there, but it's pretty expensive. So really trading at around $1,400 per share, I do think this is gonna get a lot more new investors in the company, but honestly, in my opinion, I don't think that this is gonna actually change the value of the company. It just doesn't make sense. And honestly, for most other shareholders, it's the same thing. It's not that big of a deal. If anything, it's better for us because we're going to be getting more shares of it, and there's still a ton of long-term potential with it. Now, another thing too is I do think if people wanted to be investors in Tesla, they would have invested already. Right now, there are hundreds of options to actually buy fraction shares of companies, and if they're not doing that, then really they're not believers in Tesla. So why did Tesla's stock price jump today? Well, it's just a fundamental catalyst. Really, anytime a company releases some sort of news or earnings, the stock has a tendency to jump depending on how investors feel. If people feel like they're missing out on an opportunity, then the stock price is gonna rise, just like Tesla's did. People are feeling that they missed out on this opportunity, so it goes up in price. It's just something called FOMO, fear of missing out. It's one of the most popular moods in the market. So the money question, should you guys buy Tesla stock? Here's what I would recommend doing is doing what you call dollar cost averaging. Really what this is you guys take a little bit of your money every single month and you go ahead and invest it in Tesla. What this is gonna do, it's gonna average your price. Now, why a lot of people love dollar cost averaging is because you don't have to time the market. Whether the stock goes up, down, consolidates, really does anything, you are long-term investors in it and you guys are believers in that company, and it's just gonna ride that wave out and you guys are overall gonna make a lot more money. So if you guys really want to invest in Tesla, I don't think that you have to wait for a certain date or a certain price point. Like I was saying before, there's a ton of options like using the Cash App, Robinhood, and a variety of other brokers that allow you to go ahead and buy fraction shares. I do think that if you guys are, believers in Tesla, you guys should have been investing a while back, but there's still a ton of long-term potential with Tesla. Now, Tesla is kind of on the border of being in the S&P 500. I do think that will kind of make a lot more investors kind of bullish on Tesla stock if it gets put into that category, because the S&P 500 is one of the most sought after investments by any new investor or experienced investor. It's where a lot of people put their retirement, it's where a lot of people put their money. And if Tesla falls into that category, then it's just gonna make Tesla make more money and then more sought after, and the stock price is gonna rise as well. So really right now Tesla is profitable. So really Tesla is now making money for like the first time in the company's history. So I do think that's another bullish move as well. So honestly, use dollar cost averaging and you guys will be fine. But like always, have a nice solid base of ETFs, bonds to kind of balance out that risk, guys. So we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and overall stay safe out there. Don't forget that you guys can sign up with Moomoo and literally get a free stock just by signing up. That'll be the second link down below. So go ahead and check them out. Roll the outro. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bang.